what you don't want to say.
Why are you thinking na may tinatago ako?
Because that's the truth.
Alam mo, tingin ko ikaw may tinatago from me. You were gonna tell something about Thailand kanina.
Isang tabi na muna siguro natin siya and let's cut to the chase once and for all.
Okay, sige, let's get to the point.
Pero walang takbuhan, Naz. Show me how brave you are.
Fine. Payag ako.
Pasensya na. We will not forget what we said tonight. And tomorrow nothing will be the same. Sandali lang.
Sige, magsalita ka na.
Mamaya na lang. Kailangan ko na umalis.
What? Firat! Why are you doing this to me?
What do you want?
Either I call the police right now para ipaaresto ang kaibigan mo, o di kaya...
Sige, gawin mo! Tumawag ka ng pulis! Hindi ako natatakot makulong!
Mirza! O di kaya ano?
O di kaya, mag-resign ka na lang bilang chef ng restaurant at layuan mo na si Naz.